puts into question if we're even a reliable country. I was just talking to someone the other day na from a very important ally of us, someone na, at basically parang in-imply niya, I mean, love na love namin kayo, we have to work together, pero what the heck is happening with your country? Di ba? Parang ganun eh. Kasi ang pangit yung headline na may ICC fugitive nakapasok, lumabas, may barilan, like it's wrong in every single way.
Yeah.
Sentry, Robin Hood Padilla is officially a person of interest. What do we know about
Mhm.
the role of Robin Hood Padilla? Kasi he was just clowning his way all the hours before this incident, no, na parang nag-iingay siya, binubuli pa niya ata si Kiko kung ano
Mhm.
ginagawa niya. So where does he come in? Because I remember very well nung ikaw yung gusto nila i-arrest, which is of course a very different case, siya yung nag-iingay sa labas ng Senate na kung may warrant of arrest, huliin dapat yan. It's the same Robin Hood
Mhm.
Padilla that people tend to
Yeah.
forget, diba? So, can you remind people, what is the role of Robin Hood Padilla here and what could be the legal liabilities, if ever, not only for Robin Hood but the Senate leadership, if indeed obstruction of justice, if not aiding a fugitive ang nangyari dito?
So, based on the report, ito, no? Report at yung mga eyewitness accounts, si Robin Padilla mismo ang nagmaneho ng getaway vehicle ni Bato de la Rosa. So clearly that's aiding and abetting a fugitive, no? International fugitive ito ha, si Bato. The way they were acting nung lumabas si Bato, no? Kasi ang parang ang dating parang inaapi siya, pine-persecute siya, this is political persecution. Hindi, walang connection yan. Yung krimen niya, PNP chief siya, nagtokhang sila, libu-libong Pilipino yung namatay. So, by the standards of the ICC, there's enough evidence for conviction at kaya nag-issue sila ng warrant. So, at tayo alam natin what happened there. So, he is not an innocent person being persecuted. So, anyway, going back, may naka-witness, bumaba si Bato, nagpaalam muna siya eh. Itong si Aplaska, yung USAA, in-inform niya yung PNP contingent doon na natutulog na si Bato de la Rosa. Tapos siya nung around 2 a.m. lumabas siya, magsi-CR siya. Tapos yung pala bumaba doon sa fire exit, going down doon sa indoor garage na kung saan may coaching na iiwan na sabay na sila. For that matter, pagbaba nila I think one of the lower floors, nagkita sila ni Robin, tapos bumaba sila, sumakay si sa passenger side, si Bato, sumakay si Robin sa driver side, then they went away. May nag-attempt na pigilan sila, pero binuli, kasi nga naman, classmate ni Bato yung sergeant at arms. So, they got in the way, they got out of the way. Then, yung mga personnel dun sa, nag-lift nung garage door, pinadaan sila kasi senator yung nakasakay. So, ganun na nangyari doon. Pero maliwanag, ano na to, may mga eyewitnesses na nag-detail nung mga pangyayari na yan.
So in terms of legal liabilities, saan sila pwedeng kasuhan? I mean,
Oh.
I'm not sure, maasahan ba natin ng Senado to investigate its own new leadership in terms of potential aiding here? Ano yan? Sa judiciary ba dadalhin to? Saan ba dadalhin ito?
Hindi, pwede yan, Richard, kung mapalitan si Cayetano. Kung
Ah,
mapalitan na si
right. Yeah.
Cayetano, then papalitan yung Sergeant at Arms, then you can investigate, makuha nyo lahat yan. Makuha nyo yung mga testigo, so medyo cooperative na yan. Kasi ngayon, kung sila pa rin nakaupo, whitewash yan, whitewash yan. Kaya nga nawawala yung CCTV. Ngayon, ano yung pwede mga crimes? Si Aplaska, pwede siyang kasuhan ng, sabi ko nga, attempted homicide Kasi pinagbabaril niya yung mga Tapos, kung ano pang offense sa persons in authority, tapos obstruction of justice kasi nag-utos sila to stop the NBI from serving the warrant. You have Cayetano, obstruction of justice dahil siya yung nagpigil, di ba? Tapos si Robin aiding and abetting a fugitive. Tapos si Bato assaulting a person in authority, evading arrest. So marami, But hindi na importante kay Bato, importante madala siya sa dahig. Yun.
So, so the whole protective custody discussion, can you clarify din? Kasi ginagamit na naman ng mga DDS yan. But NBA made it clear, protective custody mean na kayo, nicely, you will hand over the fugitive, di ba? Basically, or bago maging fugitive
Mm.
ito. And
Mm.
also dun sa legality, bakit yung PNP sinasabi walang warrant pero the DOJ is very clear. Even sa ilalim ng sarili natin batas, we have an obligation to cooperate here. At hindi applicable ng extradition laws dito kasi ICC warrant ang pinag-usapan natin. So can we just clarify, clear the air dito sa valid ba itong warrant of arrest at invalid ba to not enforce it?
I think the fact na yung NBI was there to serve that warrant, dapat may presumption of regularity. Dapat yung DILG, nakita niyang NBI yon, ano akala mo? Gumagawa lang ng peking warrant yung NBI? Dapat bigyan mo sila ng konting respeto. Or better yet, tinawagan niya dapat yung NBI director na ano bang meron mo dyan? Hindi, may valid warrant dito. Ganun ba? O sige, pero, di ba, alam nila eh. They cannot even feign ignorance because General Nartates and John B. Cremulya know for a fact na merong sealed warrant against Bato de la Rosa. They were given the task to locate Bato de la Rosa when he was still underground, but they did not lift a finger. Kaya nung lumabas na yung sa NBI, alam nila dapat yon. They should have instantly agreed na may warrant because alam na nila eh, 6 months before. So yun ang kailangan din nilang ipaliwanag, di ba?
Huling-huling, as we go, parang everything everywhere all at once. By the way, meron din impeachment kay Sara Duterte.
Yes.
Bakit bigla si
Yes.
Cayetano forthwith siya ngayon? Biglang, agad-agad ibig sabihin ng forthwith. Should we worry na parang very cooperative sila, very sila, open sila to have a forthwith? Should we worry na may Mickey Mouse na mangyari dito?
Mm. We should be worried about anything na sasabihin at gagawin ni Alan. Never trust the guy. That's one thing I learned in the 12 years stint in the Senate. I know him. You do not trust him. The last thing na gagawin mo uh, as far as Cayetano is concerned is to believe him. No? Anyway, ngayon kasi grabe yung public pressure. Nagsalita na yung CBCP, yung business sector, the civil society, ang dami nagsasabi. Tapos 257 congressmen ito ang nag-post nito. So ano gagawin ni Cayetano ngayon? May image problem ngayon ng Senado under his watch. Ilang days lang siya, binaliktad na kagad niya. Hinalughog niya na kagad yung imahe ng Senado. So he has to make up, no? Sana, no? So anyway, he needs to convene by Monday. Convene pa lang ito as impeachment court. Then magsiset na ng trial date soon thereafter. But hopefully, matanggal na si Cayetano as Senate President kasi manipis lang naman yung majority niya. Pag natanggal yan, lahat ng ginawa nila can be undone. So that's what we're hoping for.
Yeah, just huling singit ko lang, Sentry. How do you feel about the survey suggesting that finally it looks like wala na yung aura of inevitability and invincibility ni Sara Duterte? Tapos, I mean, we've been saying this for quite some time na hindi totoo na talagang ano na yan, parang prohibitive frontrunner. Ito na, it shows, for instance, we're gonna have Professor Ranjit later on to discuss yung latest Octa says in a tandem of basically mag-united ang Tulfos or a pink candidate, kayang-kaya nila yung
Yeah.
kabila. Does this mean that at least the electoral and political map is moving forward, even though mukhang Senate is still stuck with all of these senadors?
I think very significant development 'yon, game changer 'yon. Kaya nga palagay ko 257 voted eh. Kasi nakita nila beatable And in fact, lamang na nga in one of the surveys, lamang na si Rafi Tulfo. Um, pero and mag-aano yan? That survey can come into play and will come into play during the trial. Pag lumabas na yung ebidensya, pag tapos lumabas yung survey, na lalo pang bumabayan, mas madaling mag-convict yung mga senador pag nakita nilang politically dead na itong si Sara Duterte. Ang ano lang dito sana, no? Sana yung mga pollsters, tigilan na nila yung long list.
Yung chop suey,
Invalid yun.
yung chop suey server.
O yung chop suey survey, tanggalin na nila yun kasi invalid yun. Nakakahiya nga. And alam nyo sa ibang mga bansa, walang ganun. Yung senaryo na just all the names you can think of, ilagay mo dyan. Kasi hindi nangyayari yon. You're supposed to approximate an election day scenario, and that scenario doesn't happen, yung long list na yun. Kaya sana, ganun na lang, whether it's three-way, head-to-head, ganun na lang ang gawin nila para ano to, mas substantial and valid.
Salamat. Thank you very much, private citizen, ex-Senator Sonny Trillanes, na hopefully hindi private citizen for long because maraming mga Trillanista who want to see you in a relevant cabinet position soon and hopefully running for a highest office soon. Maraming salamat, Sonny Trillanes. Pag-usapan natin more things in the near future. Mabuhay ka. Please take care of yourself. We all care for you and continue your service to the country. God bless, sir.
Salamat po. Salamat.